Ladies and gentlemen, today we delve into the intricate world of human anatomy to explore one of the most vital organs. In our digestive system, the small intestine, despite its name. This organ plays a colossal role in the process of digestion and nutrient absorption. The small intestine, a tube-like structure measuring around 20 feet in length, is nestled between the stomach and the large intestine. Despite its slender appearance, it boasts a large surface area thanks to its numerous folds, finger-like projections called villi, and even smaller hair-like structures known as microvilli. These tiny structures significantly enhance the absorption of nutrients from the partially digested food that enters the small intestine from the stomach. This remarkable organ is where the majority of digestion and nutrient absorption occur. Enzymes and other digestive juices from the pancreas and liver aid in breaking down carbohydrates, proteins, and fats into smaller molecules